So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what's causing the coughing. As you can see, one of the goats is coughing, and I have a few of them coughing like this in a goat shed. And this is as a result of this mess. Hello, it's your favorite gardening, farming and DIY guy. I'm Will, and today we're in the goat shed. So something is happening in the goat shed I want to show you. If you've got this going on your farm, you're doing everything wrong, and you're potentially inviting a whole lot of infection on your farm, on your animals, and you are potentially going to lose a lot of animals or spend a lot of money on the treatment, I would say. Now, what is happening in the goat shed is happened over a period of time, and what has happened is that the goat shed has not been cleaned for a very long time, or the cleaning has not been thorough. So it's been an accumulation of the goat dung, which has together with the urine has compounded into something that looks like a cake or a biscuit, and it's a breeding ground for infection. And this is what I currently have in my goat shed. I'm going to show you. Now, if you've got this going on in your goat farm, you have to get rid of it with all urgency, because you are potentially, or not potentially, you are inviting infections, a whole lot of infections into your goat shed, which I'm currently facing. I've got a whole lot of infections going on, and I've lost a lot of kids because of this infection. So I'm going to show you what's happening here, and try to avoid this in your shed if you've got that going on. You can see this is actual ground or floor of the goat shed, and this is the accumulation of goat dung over the months. I don't know, I think the last time I was here was about 7 months ago, and this is all infection breeding ground. And yeah, it is disgusting, but I'm gonna touch it and show you. See, this is the layer of goat dung mixed with urine. You don't want this in your shed, and you are inviting a whole lot of problems onto your farm. So it's better to be overworked by cleaning your goat shed by on a daily basis, than to be lazy and spend a whole lot of money on the treatment, which I'm going to be doing as a result of this. So I'm going to be cleaning this, which is a whole lot of work. So I'll be cleaning this, which is a whole lot of work, and then I'll have to treat the goats because of this. So this has also got an infection on the back side. I will show you later in a different video of the infections that is going on. And yeah, try to avoid this. I'm going to spend a whole lot of time cleaning this, and I'll show you how it looks after I've done the cleaning. So you can see I've not even done a fraction of the goat shed, and this is the pile of shit, literally the pile of shit I've been able to dig up, and there is more. And folks, if you really want to do goat farming, you've got to be dedicated, you've got to have the time, you've got to spend the time, and cleaning is everything. Animals are naturally very dirty, but they don't like being dirty. They don't like to be in dirt. So if you think they are animals and they enjoy being in dirt, you're dead wrong. If they can clean their own shed, believe you me, it will be cleaner than a human being's sleeping place. But because they can't do the cleaning themselves, they rely on you, the farmer, to clean. And if you're lazy, you end up with something like this, and you end up losing a whole lot of your flock. Or in the best case scenario, you would have a whole lot of infection that you have to spend a whole lot of money in treating. So please spend a whole lot of time keeping their shed, keeping their area clean. It is so important that they're very, very, very clean. They're kept in a very clean, conducive environment where they can thrive and multiply, because it is your money, it is your asset. You need to take care of it. If you don't have time for it, and it's just, if you just enjoy having them around, then I'm afraid you're doing everything wrong and you're in the wrong business. So please spend a whole lot of time keeping your animals in a very good, safe environment for them to thrive and do well.